Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. Beef tenderloin with vegetables and mozzarella cheese. At least 200 grams of tenderloin is required for one serving. You need some mushrooms to make tenderloin with vegetables. Red stuffed pepper. Tomatoes, green peppers and onions. Some parsley. 2 garlic. Steel crusher used to crush flesh. Cheesecloth is required to put the meat into. Ground black pepper. Ground rock salt. Dry natural thyme. Condiment with mixed vegetables. Rice to be used to make rice. Mozzarella cheese. Soy sauce. Oil and some butter needed. You can use a grill pan to cook the tenderloin. Prepare mushrooms and other vegetables first. Peel the outer skin before washing the fungi. Peel the onions. Chop the peppers. Chop the onions. Chop the mushrooms. Always chop vegetables of equal size and shape. Add oil or olive oil into the pan. Add the vegetables and cook with stirring. You can add some sugar at this stage. You should make rice pilaf before meat. Prepare the tenderloin while the vegetables are cooked over low heat. First remove the hard parts around the tenderloin. Beef tenderloin is the softest and easiest cooking meat. Place the tenderloin in a cloth and crush. Expand meat by tapping slowly. The purpose of using cloth is to get rid of excess blood in meat. Place the meat into transparent bag to further expand and crush. Vegetables cooked while the tenderloin is in preparation. Add salt and spices. Add crushed garlic. Add soy sauce and turn off the stove after 1 minute. Everything is ready and you need 5 minutes to cook the steak. Allow the sealing to heat up thoroughly. Use rock salt and ground black pepper seeds. Add some oil into the pan. When heated, place the meat in the pan and wait 1.5 minutes. Turn the other side and wait another 1.5 minutes. Cut mozzarella cheese. Prepare thick sliced cheeses in the size of tenderloin slices. Prepare green peppers and tomatoes. Add the peppers and tomatoes and let it cook for another 1 minute. Remove vegetables and add butter in the 5th minute. Add salt and pepper, turn off the stove. Add the cheeses and close the lid to melt. You can serve after 1 minute. Add rice to the serving dish. Add vegetable garnish. Add the tenderloin with melted mozzarella cheese. Add tomatoes and pepper. Add a pinch of parsley and enjoy your meal. Total cooking time in 6 minutes and a fairly soft meat. You can try it. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. You can help the videos to enter the trends with the rating button. See you in a new video. Goodbye.